the candidates of A level, the carry. You can be successful. I hear even there are witch doctors who are successful. You can be a witch doctor but successful. That is very success. If things don't work in chemistry.
He's a very nice dancer. He's putting on a blue t-shirt. Where are you? Alpha? Where is Alpha? Hey, he's there coming. Alpha, I want... Anytime from now, we are actually doing our... Thank you. As a program, thank you so much. As a program, thank you so much.
Nze Kisache Shadrack nga nze nasinze ne points 18 ku Godmark High School. Njagala kugenda kukola either education oba laws, Bachelor of Laws. Era nga nebaza Mukama yansobose okuyita abasomesa bange badaletera ba Godmark High School na mikono gyange byonna twediscussinga Mukama abawo omukisa abazadde bonna bali eyo bakubiriza okuyita omwana wa Godmark High School kubanga mbadde wano okuva senior 1 mpaka senior 6 era combination gikoledde emyezi 8 gyokka mu A level nefuna points 18 ekitiibwa nkigisa Mukama.
Nabadde mubanga the best 17 points. Combination yangu yalizamu nikoledde myezi 18 era kuba najayininga late nebaza abasomesa bange omuzadde wange Kasule Abdullah ono okumbeererawo ennyo abasomesa director okutubeererawo okusomesa Godmark is among the best schools. Kyenegomba okukola ngenda kukola education oba law gavumenti kyonna kyonna kyenaaba empeereddeo kyenda okukola.
Nebaza Mukama yatuyamba Nebaza Mukama anyambe nafuna points 13. Nebaza bazadde bange. Nebaza n'abasomesa n'essomero lyange.
Nafunye 12 points. Nafunye 12 points. Nebaza Mukama okuntuusa ku kino.
Ki ky'osuubira ddala okukola?
Nsuubira okuba omuntu ow'omugaso nga yabeera politician oba ntwe bityo nga nyamba abantu.
My name, I got 16 points. I was doing PCM and I'm going to do education. I want to be a teacher of biology and chemistry.
Nyemmeka ani? Ki ky'osuubira okusomerera okukola? Abazadde ki ky'obagamba n'abasomesa?
Nafuna points 15. Nalikola PCM. Nebaza abazadde bange okumpeera. Nsuubira okukola mechanical engineering. Nebaza abasomesa bange bambeereddewo. Bazadde bange tuna mama wange tebali okumpeera ali tata wange Mukama bawo.
Wafunye meka?
15.
Nze Miss Kalina Junior badde nsomera ku Godmark High School. Nasobodde okufuna obubonero obuntwala ku university. Nebaza bazadde bange okumbeererawo okunsomesa. Nebaza maama wange buli kimu. Nebaza abankwatiddeko. Nebaza abasomesa bange. Nebaza buli omu mweyanza kyasobodde okunteerako okusoma kwange. Neyanziza nnyo buli omu mwebaza lwekyo kyankoledde. Nebaza Mukama yeere bulungi.
Nga nebaza abazadde soke nebaza abazadde.
My name is Joseph Wilson Ogwang, the head teacher of Godmark High School. We are so grateful to God for the far he has brought us. Last year, 2022, we sat 74 candidates in Senior 6. Out of the 74, 45 got 3 principal pass. That means they all qualified to go to university. Out of the 28 got 2 principal pass. It is only one person who has got 1 principal pass out of the students who sat Senior 6. So we are thankful to God. I want to thank the teachers who have enabled these candidates to perform the way they have performed. I thank God so much for them, and I pray that they should continue to work harder. Godmark is a school that is set up on God's principle. I believe that with God, all things are possible. As time goes by, we shall celebrate the goodness of the Lord forever, always. The sky will be the limit. Thank you so much, our dear parents. Thank you so much, directors, for supporting us all the time. Every time we need things for academics to move on, you have always come in time. So I want to thank you so much. God bless you so much.
Okay.
Abazadde okunyera abaana ku Godmark High School nga buli kimu bwe kiri n'abasomesa abatende. Nze Nabugoma Ali class teacher w'abaana abatudde ebibuuzo bya Level 2022. Abaana babadde 74, 43 bafunye 3 principal passes, 46 bafunye 2 principal passes, 11 bafunye principal emu. Kitegeeza abaana baffe abasinze baqualified okugenda ku university. Twebaza abazadde abatuwadde abaana n'abaana bennyini obulungi bakoze omulungi era nga encouraging abazadde kwongera abaana Godmark High School.
And that's what we will be proud of. So work hard and see that you have obtained first class degree as you perform very well. I want to thank the parents who have come. There are some few parents of the candidates who have performed very well around. Thank you so much for paying the fees. Thank you so much for supporting the students who are today excel in their final exam. Let's pray that we work together, even for those ones who are still here. Last but not least, dear school, what makes us perform well is good discipline. The teachers are doing their best to see that we have completed what we are supposed to deliver to you people. And then, as we finish delivery, we shall also make sure we concretize by making you people do a lot of assessment that will help you gain confidence.
Where are you? Alpha? Where is Alpha? Hey, he's there coming.